Hello friends, I am Rohit. She is my daughter
और ये
Falguni,
मेरी डॉटर की सहेली।
and she is a friend of my daughter. Her name is Aradhya, and yesterday we bought these two beautiful, cute parrots. Look at that! They are so cute. They are so colorful, and now this one, the male parrot, is very naughty, and he is trying to create nuisance in this cage, and they are eating some peanuts, right? And they are eating peanuts and drinking water and peas. They are also eating peas. This one is very naughty, and she is the female parrot is very calm. She is very calm. You can see their activities. She is very calm and she is very naughty, and he is very trying to come out of this cage, and you can see we bought this cage with these parrots yesterday at cost of rupees more than 2000. Now look at these two kids, Falguni and Aradhya. They are so much excited to see these parrots, and
Best friend?
they are best friend. And so we just wanted to see these. Okay.
बात करिए
Okay, bye.